Mavere from programtom.com/dev here, and in this episode I'm gonna present you the progress on a front-end application, front-end footer app that integrates with one of my projects that is located for selling on programtom.com/dev, Java Spring Boot projects, and proof of concept translations manager. It is a Quarkus app written in Kotlin, and it is built, the UI, the backend is built with Vaadin, Kotlin, Quarkus, and yeah, I've integrated all these languages, and for now I have on the mobile app a constant. I'm building it with GetIt, with GetX, and for now it is the option. If I've included already the languages here, but the supported platforms for now are just GetX style messages. So this app will translate itself to multiple languages. So I've added a list view with projects, and in this screen on the application details here I'm gonna do the following logic: parse existing translations and do a search for strings in the project. So let me check this is the application details view. So modules, up details, controller, here's layout existing, and I'm gonna create also a button for the strings in the project, for parse strings. Parse, so the first is parse existing messages, and the second will be, okay, it needs wrapping column, and on the bottom it needs a button that checks if it's loading. It will not be present, and here is parse project strings. So this will call parse project strings. So this will be similar. It will execute some logic inside. We'll mark the project, the screen as loading, and after finish, do the parsing. After finish, it will mark the loading as false. So I've coded a util that has a read existing translations. It is an abstract class that will be implemented by different parsers. So for now I've coded parsing for GetX messages that looks inside the messages .dart, and here is the hello world in English and German, and yeah, I have coded this. And when I extend the project with other ways of of bringing multiple languages into an app, I'll just make a different class, and I could actually create an extension here to make it hidden. So I could make translations to extension on, and I need to be on Parse platform. So this will require reads. Okay. This is a method on support platform and read parse, for example, and here I'm gonna switch case on this, and there is the missing case, and here it will return GetX translations. So now I could potentially, so here is the main method, here is okay, so I haven't yet used anywhere meaningfully, so I could actually code this. So loud existing, so on getting into this screen, I've done getting the app folder, and so I'll need it. Okay, I need it as part of the class. So here I have a type. So if type is not null, it's always a good idea to do the checks. Okay. So platform values. Okay, up type parse read parser. Okay, actually make it a getter. And here is the parser that will do the read translations from the app name. So the name is, yeah, let me just also null check for the name. Okay, I need a directory here, and these translations need to be displayed on this site. Okay, why this expanded so much? Yeah, I need to display them on the front end, and I think it's strings, yes. So this is the items here, text for translations. So this returns translations, list of features, with keys and values. Okay, so maybe these strings. So search extract strings. Okay. So this, reads the existing. Yeah. So I need a list of keys in the object. So the text for translation are on this side of the project, strings in the project, and I'll display them shortly. Let's start existing strings. Let me just introduce key. I've made a key with on my type of key. These are names with different values according to language, because key is a class that is part of Flutter. So I was required to have it named other way. So here existing. So okay, I need to await this, and I need to this. Generally, in long term, I could potentially split the keys into multiple features, the way it is done in Airflutter. Just show you. So in Airflutter, you could group the keys according to their screen, or according to different features, screens, or whatever. But for now, let me just have just one key. This is the way I've implemented it here, with just one feature. With keys. Okay. And let me just display them and fix this column. So this is expanded. I need to also expand this. Strings in the project, so I need to change the parse existing strings. Okay. So this is on the bottom, and here I will keep this as an empty case. No translations found. And this is the case when am I inside on OBS? No. I mean OBX. So if controller existing is empty. Descend here, list view, builds, item builder, item count is the controller, existing strings length, and here I need new. Just so on the top I need the key, and on the bottom the values for different languages. So column children, I could potentially make a component so it's not so indented to the right. Here names, okay, this needs to be text, and the coatings in footer I could make a for inside here. Values length, text with this. Let me just make a language. Okay. This needs to be translated, not to be int. Language model, that is part of the language toolkit. This one. Values here. Dot name. But I also want this. Yeah, let me space. Yeah, not the language, content. Okay. It will be a lot more beautiful if it is in another component, but yeah. Let me restart the project. And it doesn't finish parsing. And I need to investigate. Let me just forget. Okay. Okay, so basically there is some problem with this index, and it seems this parser returns empty array, and if I need to have it checked, it's not empty then, and I need to check here why this doesn't parse things normally. And also it will be a good idea to have this uh, inside try catch to so I could display the error. And on the view side, I need place where the error will display, and probably ideally the error could be located in the appropriate place according to the action. So this is common used this commonly named loading or error with tag. So let me check if there's such thing in this stream object. So error. Okay, maybe not. Let me just place it. So it's column with it's a row with two columns. Maybe. Yeah. Bucket with column, have it expanded. And on the top, GetX if controller error is empty, like box. Otherwise, text controller text error text. Well, okay, but I already know the problem here, or actually from where it comes from. So I'll hit it again. Okay, I need to exit and enter again. So here is the parser. Okay, translations. Okay, so here is it doesn't find the messages. I've changed the location where it is. Generally, if I do another GetX project, I will most probably have it in the same location. And yeah, if you want it located somewhere else, you just need to tell me and I would add variation of it. Okay, so I'll do the parsing again. Okay, so there is some issue here and I'll investigate it. Okay, so after some searching and resolving the problem, I managed to extract the keys that are currently present in the messages. I specifically added this here so I could test it, and the result is this: the parsing extracts the keys and the languages it is translated to. And next I'm gonna implement the parsing of strings in the project, and we'll inject them in the already existing messages. But this will be next video. And let me just show you the reading existing translations. Basically, read existing translations, open the file, reads it as string, searches for get keys, and it also searches for closing with this symbol, like here, and it substrings it, and after that I'm replacing all the single quotes with double quotes, and I left a to do here to make it work with ampersand inside the strings. So this to do that I left, and because extracting this here, even after replacing single quote with double quote, is not a good JSON, I need to remove these commas here. Well, not here, because it is between two elements, but this comma and this comma that is placed in here just for readability, and it makes the JSON not correct. So basically I'm doing a for loop from end to the beginning, and I'm replacing every comma that is that appears after or before the closing braces, and I'm replacing it with empty string, and basically this to do is over, and this extracts the strings and visualizes them. I'll probably also do a little bit of more reordering of the items, but basically this is the result so far. And I've done this in a separate window, so I will not pollute the main screen that is with a list of applications. Do not pollute this screen with functionality. Basically, keep it simple and stupid, and yeah, even this screen will become a little bit with too much functionality, more than it could hold. Yeah, creating small elements, small widgets, small components, small functionality will be always better for coding, for debugging, and yeah, this is my opinion, and it's generally best practice to have it small components that will be testable.